White-rumped Munia is the only Munia in its range with white on the lower back and rump. It has a blackish-brown head and back, with pure white underparts and rump. Its back is finely streaked with pale shafts. Juvenile is rufous-brown, with indistinct streaks above, rump buffy grey, breast light rufous, and underparts buffy grey. Races differ in the amount of white and grey streaking on the underparts, and the extent of the blackish-brown on the head. It's found in a variety of open landscapes, including grasslands, shrubby open country, forest edges, thickets, plantations, village gardens, agricultural fields, and sometimes towns and cities.